All right, slowly now. Got it. Looks rough. Keep it steady. Scrub harder on the right. Looks good. Let's keep going.
Fire in the hole.
It's alive! We did it!
Canceled expedition is back.
All right, let's get these parts unloaded. Careful with that heavy one. Grab those tires next. Move it, we don't have all day.
I think I found something. Looks like a ship.
All together. Push. Heave. Keep it moving. All right, together now. Lift. Yeah, up and over the axle. Push it in. Good, bolts now. All right, just a little more leverage. There, got it.
Hold up, look at this. The chassis is completely cracked through.
All right, that's aligned. Let's get this thing moving. Looks like she's ready. Amazing work, everyone.
Couldn't have done it without you all. Let's start with the chassis bracing here. It looks unstable.
Got it?
On it.
Hold it there, a bit to the right. No, up, it's catching. Push down hard. Got it, flush now. Nice. Yes, finally. Look at that shine. Perfect. Looks just right.
I found the problem. The piston is cracked. So it's confirmed? The engine is dead.
There it is. We got the new piston. All right, let's get back to work.
I don't care what the manifest says, we don't have the microfilters. Check the overflow crates immediately. This shipment is critical.